Loio AI has just been released, and it's already creating a buzz in the world of AI software. In this video, I'm going to give you the 7 crucial things you need to know about Loio AI, and by the end, you'll understand why this is quickly becoming a must-have tool for anyone looking to take their digital marketing and AI automation to the next level. Now, if you're new to Loio, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be an expert. Plus, you can try Loio for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Let's dive into it. The first thing that stands out about Loio AI is its ability to streamline and automate document management tasks. Whether you're handling contracts, reports, or customer correspondence, Loio uses AI to analyze, categorize, and summarize text with impressive accuracy. If you deal with large volumes of text, this is a game changer. What's amazing about Loio is how intuitive it is. Unlike some other AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Loio is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. No complicated setup, just upload your documents, and Loio's AI starts working for you. It can highlight key information, suggest edits, and even help you draft new content based on the context of what's already there. Another standout feature is its AI-driven document summarization. If you ever feel overwhelmed by reading long emails or business reports, Loio can condense those down into digestible summaries, so you can focus on what matters most without getting bogged down by details. This is particularly useful for business owners or digital marketers who are always on the go and need to absorb information quickly. Loio AI also integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms, which means it's not just a standalone tool. You can connect it with your existing software ecosystem, whether you're using Microsoft Office, Google Docs, or various CRM platforms. This makes it incredibly versatile, and you won't have to worry about transferring data between different tools. Now let's talk about the AI's natural language processing capabilities. Loio AI can understand and interpret the meaning behind the text, not just analyze individual words. This means it can handle complex language, tone, and context, making it a powerful tool for businesses that need to craft communications that sound natural and human-like. One thing I absolutely love about Loio is its security features. It offers end-to-end encryption, so your sensitive business data stays private. Whether you're working with financial documents or confidential client information, Loio ensures that everything is securely stored and processed. As for pricing, Loio offers a free trial so you can test out all of its features before committing. They have several pricing tiers that scale with your needs. So whether you're a freelancer or running a large enterprise, there's an option that fits. But before you make any decisions, I've tried thousands of AI tools in my time, and Loio is definitely in my recommended list. So after this review, check out the AI tools in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. In summary, Loio AI is a powerful, user-friendly AI tool that makes document management easier, faster, and more efficient. Its advanced AI-driven capabilities, seamless integrations, and top-notch security features make it a tool worth checking out. You can try Loio completely free from the first link in the description. Don't miss out on the future of AI automation. Get started today.